What is your educational level?
Matric.
Metric only.
Yes.
So if ngabuyele kasi Hotman, you advise intwana ezifuna ukuba uwe because yabo uyakhinda bra wami idlupho yalihlaba awudlali mshana malume indwangu yashaya strong. But that inspires a lot of kids. Ukuthi Hotman igcoka kahle and all that and is successful. What would I advise them, or how would you advise them to become you? Ukuthi uqale phi so uzithola so successful kangaka? What did you do from matric to be so successful in business?
I wouldn't say I'm successful.
To your level, or
Yes.
does it mean you haven't reached the goal of reach out? Is that what I say?
Yes.
But for making more than $1 million a month, you don't regard yourself successful?
No, I don't.
Okay. But what would you, how would you advise umfana omncane ukuthi hayi kumele wenze kanje, or wena wenzeni ufike kanjani la ukhona? How did you get here? And how long did it take you?
Through